Hello everybody and welcome to week 2. First of all, look at the objectives and the outcomes, then the checklist and the overview video here. Helpful essay writing hints I put here, and it's also in the helpful resources because your week 3 essay will be due next week, January 21st. Although we're only in week 2, I want you to go ahead and get started on this. 2 homework assignments this week are these 2 readings. Make sure you do these well because this week's discussion board post, one of them will be based on these 2 readings. Quizzes, there are 5 here, Caged Bird and 2 Caged Bird quizzes, compare and contrast, because that's our first rhetorical mode which we will be writing in, and then MLA documentation. Down here, the discussion board post, there are videos in here that will explain this more carefully, but I'm going to give you an overview quickly. There are 2 discussion boards for this week. The first one is called Deadly Superior. If you click on here, you will see more instructions here. The most important thing to remember, and you'll see this more in depth in one of the videos in this module, is after you write your initial post, you're going to hit reply and you're going to copy and paste it here. Then you will also have to, just the initial post, you will attach it here where it says initial post for grading. So you'll come here and you will, where am I? You will upload a file. See, it says submit assignment. You'll submit. Then you'll choose the file of the initial post only. So you'll do this twice. Once for discussion board this one will be for Deadly Superior Prompt 1. So your initial post will go here, and I'll grade it. This must be written formally. You'll understand all of this more carefully when you read or watch the other videos. Then let me go back, and I'm going to repeat this. Let's say we go back to the week 2. So prompt 1. Now I go to prompt 2. Prompt 2, you're going to read The Myth of the Latin Woman, and you're going to compare it to Mama from the novel. The initial post is due on Wednesday. The initial post, you'll click reply here, copy and paste your initial post in the discussion board. This is the thread. This is where you'll talk to people. And then you have one more step. You also have to upload the file to initial post here. Then that file will go there. This is where I will grade you based on grammar, topic, sentence, etc. So the only time you'll come here is for the initial post, and then the initial post for prompt 2. Everything else, when you discuss with other students, will happen within the discussion boards themselves. I also wanted to show you that I opened up the syllabus. If you click on the syllabus link, it's kind of like the work sheet I give you to summarize. But if you take a look here, it gives you everything that is due and when it's due. And it stops up to Sunday, January 14th. Everything is here. And notice that the initial post for next Wednesday, initial post for prompt 1, initial post for prompt 2, and then everything else for these discussion boards will happen within the discussion board themselves. You'll understand that better after you watch the other videos that are within the discussion board section for you to watch. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, there's a lot of work. Get this done because then weeks 3, 4, and 5 will be heavily all writing. No more a lot of quizzes or anything like that. Okay, take care. Thank you.